Are you looking for the best folding tables? In this video, we will look at some of the best folding tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COSCO Deluxe Folding Table. The next best folding table we're looking at today is from COSCO, and it's their Deluxe Folding Table in white. It certainly looks incredibly smart and would be just as much at home in your dining room as it would outside for a barbecue or picnic. It's compact and easy to store and transport, featuring non-merging leg tips that won't scratch or damage your floors. It also very conveniently features a comfortable carry handle, and the legs collapse inwards with the table folding completely in half. The surface of the table is easy to wipe down and keep clean as it's been made from a premium resin material that is suitable for all weather conditions and environments. Whether you wish to use this COSCO table indoors or out, it's more than up to the job. When your table is not in use, it safely locks into place for fuss-free storage. Measuring 6 feet in length, it's ideal for a variety of purposes and events, particularly if you are having a social gathering and need some more dining space to accommodate those extra holiday guests. Various different colored and finishes are available for the top section, including black, white, and gray. Number 2. Best Choice Products Portable Folding Table. If you're looking for a versatile and practical folding dining table, then our next product recommendation from Best Choice Products might get your seal of approval. It's 6 foot long and is ideal for parties, picnics, barbecue, or just to have on standby for any time that you need some extra dining space. If you're having a backyard barbecue, then Best Choice Products Portable Folding Table is precisely what you need. Or even if you have the guys coming over for a games night and want some more extra tabletop space to deal out the cards, this will stand you in good stead. Its folding design is super practical, and with a side lock as well as a carry handle, it's easy to pick up and transport, but also to quickly pack back down and neatly store away. It features a highly durable white, easy-to-clean surface and comes with sturdy and robust powder-coated steel legs that have non-slip and non-marring rubber feet to keep the table securely in place. Overall, it measures 72 inches in length, which is 6 foot, and it can hold a total weight capacity of 300 pounds. Use it as a serving table, games table, outdoor dining table, or even in your office. It really is totally versatile and not just durable. Resistant to acids, alkalis, and also able to withstand heat temperatures of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you choose to your Best Choice Products folding tables indoors or outdoors, it won't let you down, just like some of the best canopy porch swings from our list. Number 3. Office Star Resin 3-Piece Folding Bench and Table. Office Star has been producing innovative and sustainable furniture solutions for both residential and commercial sectors for years. One of their latest range of products is the Resin collection, which features furniture made with HDPE blow-molded plastic. This folding bench and table set is an affordable, efficient, and dependable purchase. The folding table features a resin surface that is not only waterproof but also scratch, stain, and impact resistant. It features a powder-coated steel tube frame that is high in performance and light in weight. You can use the table without any worries as the surface is highly durable and does not chip or crack. This Office Star Resin 3-Piece Folding Bench and Table set is a user-friendly choice for classrooms, event halls, offices, and your very own backyard. And the fact that it is water-resistant contributes to its effectiveness in the outdoors. Rain or shine, this exceptional folding table won't let you down. You can also use the set as extra seating, so there is plenty of room for all the guests. When not in use, tuck the legs safely inwards and fold the table in half. It is ready to be stored in the tiniest of spaces. The table measures 72 in length, 30 in width, and 29.5 in height. It's comfortable to carry, and rubber end tips on the table legs provide extra protection for your floors. The table holds a weight of up to 350 pounds, and there's no assembly required, so you can go right ahead and start using your table as soon as it gets delivered. For more amazing additions to your home, check out our guide to the best pergola kits. Number 4. Flash Furniture Black Folding Card Table. Flash Furniture has been the proud manufacturer of commercial-grade quality furniture for over 2 decades. This particular table from their collection features a sleek and functional design. It also makes an ideal card table for game night. Plus, you can use it as a study table, for eating, or as your arts and crafts workstation. Talk about versatile. Flash Furniture Black Folding Card Table can conveniently seat 4 people. The surface of the table has been constructed using 0.1875 thick vinyl and contains sponge foam padding. This surface makes it extremely easy to maintain the table and keep it in top shape. The table legs are strong and add to its overall stability. This table can bear up to a total of 130 pounds of weight, provided it is evenly distributed. It's also easy to maneuver. The table legs fold inside as well as open without any resistance. For hassle-free use, the table measures 33.5 x 33.5 x 27.75. It comes in a secure packaging that ensures you get your product in impeccable condition. Number 5. Lifetime 80160 Height Adjustable Folding Table. We're sticking with the same brand as our best choice recommendation for our next height adjustable white folding table from Lifetime. This is their 80,160 commercial style table that once again features 3 different height adjustable levels, perfect for adult dining, a kids appropriate level as well as a taller standing countertop height, ideal for crafting or other creative pursuits. This Lifetime 80160 folding table is backed by a 10-year limited warranty and exceeds relevant safety requirements. It features a rust-resistant powder-coated durable steel frame with a UV-protected scratch and stain-resistant white HDPE2. It's guaranteed never to crack, chip, or peel, and it's also all-weather resistant, which is perfect if you are using your folding table outside. It's stable and reliable, and it's also easy to wipe clean. It's been constructed with impact-resistant corners and has protective non-scratching foot caps as well as a safety-looking ring which prevents the table from collapsing. If you are looking for a reliable, weather-hardy, and simply designed multi